So hi guys, in this video we are going to talk about how you can mirror your phone screen to your computer, or you can also mirror your computer screen to your phone. So just you need to do is that keep watching this video to get full information about this topic. And also if you are new here on this channel, then make sure you hit that red button and tap on the bell icon. So now without further ado, let's begin. So guys, before I show you all the process, let me tell you that what we are going to use to do this thing. So the first software that we are going to use is this LessView. LessView is the software that helps to mirror phone screen to computer or computer screen to phone. So we are going to use LessView to do this thing. So just keep watching, and now let's go to our computer screen and let's see how we can mirror our computer screen to phone or our phone screen to computer. Let's go. So as here we are on our computer screen, and then here the first thing I'm going to do is that open up my browser, and then here just search for the software LessView, and then after that it will show you the first website, lessview.com. so just tap on that site, and then here this is the website. You can see that the interface is something like this. So on the top, just need to do is that tap on product, and then here you can see if you have Windows, then tap on Windows. If you have MacBook, then choose the MacBooks. If you have Android, then tap Android. And basically this software is available for all kind of devices. So here I'm gonna choose Windows because I'm using this Windows computer, and then here you can see LessView for Windows. So just you need to do is that download the software, and then here choose the location where you want to download the software, and then after that the software is downloaded. Just you need to do is that install it now. So just tap on it and tap on yes, and then here just select the language and select the location where you want to install this software, and after that tap on install now, and here the software is installing. So just you need to do is that wait for a minute. Okay, so it is almost done. Just wait guys, and now you can see that software is installed successfully. So it will take you to this web browser. So just you need to do is that cancel it, and then tap on open now. Okay, and then here it will open up the software. So just wait. So now this is the interface of the software. You can see that I'm gonna make it small. So this is the interface. So you have this tab: phone screen mirroring, computer screen mirroring, and plugin. So I'm gonna tell you everything one by one. So after installing this on your computer, just need to do that install this software on your phone. So let me turn on the screen recording so you can see. So you'll see what I'm doing on my phone. Here we go. Let me start the screen recording. So here we are. You can see this is my phone. So just need to do is that go to Play Store, and then here I need to connect with the internet first. I'm going to connect this with the internet. Let me connect it with my internet. Okay, it is connected. I'm gonna go to Play Store, and then here search for the LessView app, LessView, and then here you can see this app lessview.com with 1 million plus downloads. So just install this software, and it will take a little bit time. So I'm gonna just wait over here. So while this software is installing, make sure you hit that red button and tap on the bell icon to get more videos like this one. We upload these kinds of videos, I mean, every week, not every week, every Sunday and Thursday. So just do it. And now this software is almost installed, 99%, and here it is installing on our phone. So just wait. So now the software is installed. It is checking if it is safe or not, and you can see this app is safe. Just tap on open, and then here tap on agree, and now it will show you something like this page. So make sure that your computer and your phone is connected to same Wi-Fi network. And here on my phone, you can see I have my computer. Just you need to do is that tap on it, and here you can see two options: phone screen mirroring and computer screen mirroring. So if you want to mirror your phone screen to your computer, then choose the first option, and then here if you want to allow the audio, then tap on allow. If you don't, then tap on don't allow. So I'm gonna don't allow this for now, and tap on start now. And then here on my computer, you can see here we have the phone. This is the phone. You can see my phone screen is completely mirrored, you can see. So this is the way you can use to mirror your phone screen to your computer. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of question, then a comment is for you. Ask any question you want, I will absolutely reply your question. And that's it. Make sure you hit that red button and tap on the bell icon, and also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get more tech related content. So that's it. See you soon. Peace.